What's up? So I'm gonna start off the Malvern Saturday night race here. We're about 2 days actually before the actual race. It's Thursday, so doing a little bit of bike prep right now. I got some new handlebars for it. I got some new number plates, like side graphics, front number plate and everything number wise, because right now I'm just running with the dinky. You can see just the regular stick-on single numbers. So for bars, I ended up going with the CR highs, and these are the hybrid bars, I believe. They got the 7/8 end with inch and an eighth, I believe, the center diameter, and that's for like a fat bar like mount, which the CRFs come with a fat bar from factory now, so had to get those because I didn't want to buy brackets also. But I'll show you guys the graphics. Got these off of Rocky Mountain ATV. Got them shipped out to me in a couple days, but as you can see, they're pretty nice just for some side graphics for the time being until I get some new plastics and do a full graphics kit. But that won't be for a little while. I hope, as long as I can keep myself from buying them. But anyways, about to start tearing into this thing, and that'll be that. Yo, what's up? So we're out here at Malvern right now. We got the bikes all unloaded. We got Logan's here with me, and we got a couple other people that I just met up with, and we got set up out here. We got 3 canopies all lined up. We got my 2 bikes, we have Logan's quad, and then we got 2 other quads over here, 3 other quads actually. But anyways, weather forecast is looking good. Hopefully we don't get any more rain like we did last time we were here. That was freaking nasty, and pretty much every time I've ridden here it's been nothing but rain. But I think today's gonna hold up, so fingers crossed. But anyways, I'm gonna slap the GoPro on my helmet here and go head out for some practice before the race. So we're almost through practice. We got Colton's out there right now. We're about to get some clips of him, and also Logan. They're both out there, so they're right here. About to start ripping here in a little bit, getting ready to end, like, I think there's 2 more practices class-wise, and then we'll be ready for our motos. So get some clips of them ripping in practice.